Today, we're diving into an effective and tangible mental health exercise, creating a gratitude jar. This simple yet powerful activity can bring joy and positivity into your daily life. Let's explore how to make your gratitude jar and why it's an excellent addition to your mental health routine. 1. Gather your materials. The first step in creating your gratitude jar is to gather your materials. All you need is a jar, some colorful paper or sticky notes, and your favorite writing tools. It's a straightforward setup, making it accessible and enjoyable for everyone. 2. Decorate your jar. Now, let's get creative. Decorate your gratitude jar to make it uniquely yours. You can use paints, markers, stickers, or any other craft supplies you have on hand. Personalizing your jar adds an extra touch of joy to the process. 3. Set a routine. Whether it's every evening before bed or during your morning coffee, establish a consistent time to jot down moments of gratitude. Consistency is key to turning this into a lasting habit. 4. Express your gratitude. Each day, take a moment to reflect on what you're thankful for. It could be a small victory, a moment of joy, or a kind gesture from someone. Write it down on a piece of paper or a sticky note and place it in your gratitude jar. The act of writing reinforces the positive feelings associated with gratitude. 5. Review and reflect. As your jar fills up, take time to review and reflect on your gratitude notes. This not only allows you to appreciate the abundance of positivity in your life, but also serves as a wonderful pick-me-up during challenging times. 6. Share the gratitude. Consider making this a family or friend activity. Encourage others to create their own gratitude jars, and periodically share the notes with each other. It's a fantastic way to strengthen connections and spread positive vibes. One of the best ways to bring positivity into your life is by giving it to others. In conclusion, creating a gratitude jar is a simple and enjoyable mental health exercise that can bring a dose of positivity to your daily routine. It's not just a jar. It's a vessel of joy, growth, and gratitude. Give it a try and let the good vibes flow. If you have your own creative twists on gratitude practices or experiences with gratitude jars, share them in the comments below. Remember, a jar full of gratitude is a jar full of happiness. If you want to dive deeper into gratitude and its many benefits, I invite you to check out the gratitude playlist linked on your screen. Thanks for joining, and happy crafting!